Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Kia Stonic GT-Line S. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and returning up to 49 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 11 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 36,000 miles and comes with full service history from Kia. This colour combination is the Metallic Azure Blue and also has the black roof, which I think is a nice combination together. But the paintwork's in great condition for the age and mileage. Having a look inside, you've got quite a few useful features. So you've got the armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. The front seats and the steering wheel are also heated, so ideal for the winter months. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Rear passengers have a large amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, and also the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers also have a charging socket there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat, and you still have the parcel shuffles in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your 48 volt mild hybrid battery, which helps the fuel economy, and also your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.